My name is Maria Koulouri and I'm a researcher at the Roger Perry Laboratory in the Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering of Imperial College London. The laboratory provides state-of-the-art facilities for experimental research in environmental engineering, and it plays a key role in enabling innovation across our department. Lab-scale research on emerging processes for environmental management is complemented by the work of our Resilience and Sustainability Centre, covering the development of tools and frameworks to measure performance, evaluate circularity, and support decision-making as innovations move from lab to scale. Together, the capabilities of our department provide complementary perspectives of circular economy, combining lab research with systems-level assessment approaches. Through collaborations such as the PurpleGain COST Action, we aim to help industries and policymakers accelerate the wider uptake of environmental innovations across Europe.